our channel Release on Netflix, let's start the video now. The Most Amazing Vacation Rentals is as informative as Takedown Seat in Adventurous and after looking each installment. It's probably that many fanatics show their interest, which is by identifying why is The Most Amazing Vacation Rental Season 3 will arrive on Netflix. Netflix has a knack for placing out exceptional way of live programming, and lots of its titles on this branch are famous within subscribers. Some of those remarkable titles consist of Selling Sunset, Queer Eye, Tidying Up and Marie Kondo, and of course The Most Amazing Vacation Rentals. Unfortunately, there has not been any professional phrase, but if there might be any other episodes. But it's also very essential to recognize that the collection has now no longer been cancelled yet. Hence, the door continues to be open concerning the opportunity of The Most Amazing Vacation Rentals Season 3. The professional episode, Remember for The Most Amazing Vacation Rentals, has now no longer been publicly disclosed, but these facts will maximum usually end up to be had after a professional renewal is announced. When is the best time for his hypothesis? It's clever to expect that they will preserve the equal wide variety of entries fanatics noticed for the reactions. That being said, if one needed to bet at what number of episodes The Most Amazing Vacation Rental Season 3 could have, however, again, not anything concrete about this have been revealed. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. A manufacturing timetable or capturing timetable has now no longer been placed out at the penning of this post. However, it could be quite smooth to bet a go back if the display is ready to continue. The first time out got here on June 18, 2021 and the second later premiered on September 14th of 2021. If they preserve up this manner of doing things, it would not be loopy to invest that they will be gearing as much as extra episodes earlier than later. Of course, it's tough to inform precisely when the Netflix collection will go back, however it appears it does not take lengthy to produce. So fanatics might not need to wait for too lengthy for brand new episodes. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with the friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.